back to my channel. I have great news. The second Shea box just arrived, just in time for spring. Whoop whoop! I'm excited. Let me show you what is in the box. So within the Manuka honey and yogurt collection, it comes with Maphora and baobab oils, which is there to help cleanse and restore extremely dry and brittle hair. So first things first, we have the Hydrate Plus Repair shampoo in its dynamic duo with the conditioner. We also have the Hydrate Plus Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. We have the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. In its cute little 2.5 ounces, we have the Split End Balm. We have another protein power treatment, so I would recommend using this side package for when you travel or if you want to give to a friend. And thank goodness Shea Moisture included this pamphlet that goes into a little bit more detail about what is inside the box, how you should use the products for best results, and more. And finally, we have a cute little comb, either to detangle or it could be used as a scalp massager. So looking at the curls on top of my head, I think we can all agree that this box was needed. And Shea Moisture knew all the curly heads needed it now. So I'm excited. So without further ado, it is wash day, so what better way to start off the spring weather with a nice wash with the Manuka honey and yogurt line. So first things first, you have to get your hair wet. That is the key to everything when it comes to natural hair. Having your hair wet is the base to adding products, and it allows your hair to take in moisture. So we're going to start off with the shampoo. Now what I really like about this shampoo is it smells like honey. I wish you guys can smell it through the video, but it's a very light, airy, springy smell to it. It's not too strong, which is what I like about it. When you apply the shampoo to your hair, you're going to notice that there's like an underlining thickness base to it because of the honey. It almost feels like the shampoo is locking into your curls. Like the honey is really being absorbed into your hair, and I absolutely love that about the shampoo as well. It is very important to remember that when you shampoo your hair, you always want to finish off with a lather. And for me, it may take a couple of times for me to actually get the shampoo to lather up in my hair just because, one, I exercise and I sweat. I also don't wash my hair every day. And number two, I also have a lot of product buildup. So the lathering is your signal to know that the shampoo is taking out the products from your hair. I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this was day 5 hair for me. So the fact that this collection was able to lather up on the second wash, that is a really good sign that this specific collection was able to go in, remove the product and the buildup that I had from the week out within the second wash. So today I decided to do 3 washes just because, like I said, I've been running, exercising. This was day 5 hair. I want to make sure all the product and buildup is removed from my hair before I apply the conditioner. So before we go on to applying the conditioner, I want to mention that Shea Moisture did a test on non-chemically treated hair. They have discovered that with using this collection with the shampoo and the conditioner together, it will help reduce breakage on heat-styled hair up to 76%. Next, we're going to use the conditioner that is supposed to help soften, detangle, and reduce breakage on heat-styled hair. And of course, everyone's worst nightmare, dropping your products in the shower. I recovered though. Now, when I apply my conditioner, I usually break up my hair into 3 to 4 different sections. The reason why I do this is because, number 1, it's easier for me to apply it thoroughly throughout my hair. Number 2, it allows me to kind of manage the amount of conditioner that I put for each of the sections. The more conditioner I have in my hair, in my opinion, the easier it is for me to finger detangle and to detangle it with a comb or a brush while I'm in the shower as well. Now with this conditioner, it does have a light scent to it. It is not as strong as the shampoo though. So now your hair is not going to be overpowered by the smell of honey. Look how gorgeous my hair looks after I use the shampoo and conditioner. My curls look moisturized and healthy. We're going to leave this in for about 3 minutes. Then after that, you will thoroughly rinse it out. Make sure all the conditioner is out of your hair. Next, we have my favorite product in this collection, the Protein Power Treatment. This smells, I know I've been saying it throughout this whole entire video, but this product smells amazing. Like I said, it smells like honey, but this one has a stronger scent to it. Now for this, it suggests to apply a quarter size amount from the roots to the ends, paying particular attention to damaged ends. I actually did a quarter size for 3 different sections in my hair. I applied it to the top, the middle, the back, and the roots of my ends. Even though it's very thick, it has an easy slip to it. My hair feels so conditioned, so hydrated, and also very moisturized as well. This product has helped to reduce breakage up to 76%, and I totally believe it because it is filled with a lot of protein nutrients as well as also shea butters. Now all you have to do is leave this treatment in for 10 to 15 minutes. So during that time, you can either shave, use the body scrub, or do your facial wash while you're in the shower. Now with the Protein Power Treatment, you do not want to leave this in. This is not meant to be as a leave-in. You want to make sure that this is all rinsed out completely because it is filled with proteins. Once you rinse everything out, grab your t-shirt to reduce frizz when you're trying to take off the excess water, and let's get on with the second part of wash day. I decided to do a split test because I wanted to see how moisturized my hair would look if I just used the shampoo, conditioner, and the Protein Power Treatment. And then on the other side, I actually was going to use the multi-action leave-in as well as the split balm. Now with this split balm, it instantly seals and reduces the appearance of split ends by reducing breakage up to 89%. Now with this split end balm, I would highly suggest only applying it to the ends of your hair. Do not try to substitute it as a gel. This split balm has a waxy feel to it. It doesn't have the best scent compared to all the products in the collection. It is easy to apply throughout your hair. I feel like it doesn't make your ends stick up. It actually does a great job of sealing the ends. It keeps your curl pattern intact. So that's something you don't have to worry about when using this product. Even though it is thick, you can still separate your ends. I was worried about that when I was applying it the first time, that I wouldn't be able to separate the strands of my hair, but that wasn't an issue. The final product that we are about to use for this wash day is the multi-action leave-in. It's going to help hydrate, recondition, strengthen, and smooth damaged hair for easy styling. And it will also help reduce breakage on heat-styled hair up to 87%. Now with this multi-action leave-in, it is very thin. Compared to all the products that we have used today with this wash day, it is pretty much a liquid. I also don't like that it has a spray top. We're about to get a full upper body workout while applying this product because you have to generously spray this product in order for it to work. It's been 2.5 hours since I did my hair. Clearly, I think you guys can tell which side has the Manuka honey and yogurt collection in it and the other side is not. No, it's moisturized. It feels great. I use the shampoo, conditioner, and the conditioning treatment. My hair still smells good. It's soft, but when you add the split balm at the bottom of the ends of your hair plus the leave-in, like, I can see curl definition. It's not oily. It smells like honey. It smells amazing. This stuff really works. And my hair is still hydrating looking. Thank you guys for watching my wash day with the Manuka honey and yogurt line. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial / review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, Give me a thumbs up and comment what you guys think will be in my next Shea Ambassador box. I'll see you guys next time.